Hello everyone, and I quickly want to introduce new gold. I mean to you, this is going to be something that is going to help you in the next few weeks of your life. 90-day Achievers Planner coming to you at such a time like this. So this is an achievable planner, something that you can use to set and achieve any goal in the next 90 days. If you really want a tangible result this year, it doesn't matter what is going on out there, I challenge you to get a copy of this and be faithful, be consistent in using it. It is going to help you. So in here, you list the 10 goals that you want to work on. Let's get started. List the 10 goals that you really want to see happening. Write them out, make them plain. And in the following pages, it talks about you breaking it down to your goals. Why is this important to you? And when do you want to get it done by? And then you now each goal one after the other. You write your goal down. What are the steps that you need to take to make it happen? Then goal number 2. And then after you've done that, we get to work on the day first. What are your tasks that you must do every day to get you closer to your goal? So this is the 90-day Achievable Planners that we help you to set and achieve any goal in the next 90 days. So you can begin your journey June 1st till August 31st, and you will be amazed at your results. So click the link and get your copy. $19.99 free shipping. Take care now. Bye.